What makes an ATS have a steep learning curve? Imagine trying to learn a new language that has hundreds of words, complex grammar rules, and a different alphabet. That's what mastering some applicant tracking systems can feel like. When you first start using an applicant tracking system, or ATS, it might seem overwhelming. The reason is that these systems are built to do a lot, and that can make them tricky to pick up quickly. First, many ATS platforms have a wide range of features. They handle job posting management, resume parsing, candidate tracking, interview scheduling, compliance reporting, and data analysis. Each of these functions has its own set of steps and settings. Learning how to use all of them efficiently takes time and practice, especially if you are new to HR technology. Second, the way the system is designed matters a lot. Some ATS solutions have complicated menus, confusing navigation paths, and many options for customization. Users need to understand how to set up the system to match their recruitment process. This might include configuring workflows, automating tasks, or setting up alerts. Without proper training, figuring out these details can be frustrating. Third, legal compliance adds another layer of difficulty. ATS platforms must follow laws like the General Data Protection Regulation and Equal Employment Opportunity rules. HR professionals need to know how to set up the system so it handles candidate data correctly and produces reports that meet legal standards. This requires understanding both the software and the legal requirements. Fourth, integration with other HR tools can make things more complex. Many ATS platforms connect with payroll, onboarding, or background check services. Users must learn how data flows between these systems, troubleshoot issues, and keep information accurate across platforms. This often involves technical knowledge and patience. Finally, organizational support and training resources influence how steep the learning curve feels. If a company provides thorough onboarding, clear documentation, and responsive vendor support, users can become proficient faster. Without these resources, it can take much longer to master the system. In practical terms, HR teams should plan for a training period that covers basic functions and advanced features. They should also focus on understanding compliance settings and how to manage integrations. Choosing an ATS with a user-friendly interface and good support can make the learning process easier. The power and flexibility of an applicant tracking system are what make it so useful for complex recruitment needs. But that same power can make it harder to learn at first. Proper training and support are key to turning a steep learning curve into a manageable one.